The magic trick, cinnamon. Yes, you heard that right, cinnamon. This humble spice, often overshadowed by its fancier counterparts, holds the secret to stabilizing blood sugar levels and improving insulin sensitivity. But how does it work? And why should you incorporate it into your diet? Let's break it down. Scientific wonders. Polyphenols. Cinnamon is packed with these powerful antioxidants, which help improve insulin sensitivity, allowing your cells to use glucose more effectively. Cinnamaldehyde. This active compound in cinnamon can mimic insulin and increase glucose uptake by your cells, thereby lowering blood sugar levels. Digestive aid. Cinnamon slows down the breakdown of carbohydrates in your digestive tract, resulting in a more gradual release of glucose into your bloodstream. How to use cinnamon. Incorporating cinnamon into your daily routine is easier than you might think. Here's how to make the most of this natural blood sugar regulator. 1. Morning boost. Sprinkle a teaspoon of cinnamon on your oatmeal or yogurt. 2. Smoothie power. Add a dash of cinnamon to your favorite smoothie for an extra kick. 3. Coffee upgrade. Stir some cinnamon into your morning coffee. It's a delicious way to start your day. 4. Cooking companion. Use cinnamon in savory dishes like stews and curries to add depth and health benefits. A sample 7-day plan. Here's a simple, practical plan to get you started. Stick to it and watch your blood sugar levels drop. Day 1 to 2. Start your day with a cinnamon-spiced breakfast. Add half a teaspoon to your oatmeal or yogurt. Day 3 to 4. Incorporate cinnamon into your snacks. Sprinkle it on apple slices or mix it into a smoothie. Day 5 to 6. Upgrade your beverages. Add cinnamon to your coffee or tea. Day 7. Use cinnamon in your dinner recipes. Try a cinnamon-infused chicken or vegetable stew. The benefits. Let's talk about the perks of adding cinnamon to your diet. Lower blood sugar levels. Consistent use of cinnamon can help reduce fasting blood sugar levels by up to 29%. Improved insulin sensitivity. Your body becomes more efficient at managing glucose. Antioxidant boost. Cinnamon is a potent source of antioxidants, which fight inflammation and support overall health. Delicious flavor. Who knew managing blood sugar could taste so good?